Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to view your mobile site with a QR code on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have your sites where you can check out all of your websites. We have the setup and home. We also have the settings and the design site where you can go then and design your site in the editor. And also we have the dashboard where we are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how to view your mobile site with a QR code on Wix. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So open the mobile editor. So to view your Wix site on mobile devices using QR codes, you will need to, of course, firstly go in, as I already told you, open your mobile editor, which is when you're in the editor, you can have it here, switch to mobile, edit your site for mobile. Then click preview on the top toolbar. You'll have it in the top right corner. You'll have a preview, as you can see what your site looked like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Then click the QR code. Then scan the QR code using your device. Alternatively, you can view the mobile version of your site by entering the site's URL in a browser or on your mobile device. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.